If you would have invested 1 lakh rupees in the stock 5 years ago, it would be worth 3.3 lakh rupees today, a 232% return. Every EV charging station being built in India, every solar inverter connecting a panel to the grid, every metro line's power management system, every data center's electrical infrastructure, one Swiss company makes all of it. And yesterday, they announced a 90 rupees per share special dividend, stock 22 of 30, ABB India, founded in 1949, originally as Hindustan Electrical Company. It's a subsidiary of ABB Switzerland, which owns 75%, the strongest European parent holding of any stock in this 30 stock series. They manufacture and supply across 4 segments: electrification, transformers, EV charging, solar inverters, data center power, motion, motors and drives for industrial automation, process automation, measurement, analytics, energy management, and previously robotics. Every sector we've covered in this series depends on ABB's electrical equipment. BEL's defense electronic buildings run on ABB's switchgears. KSB's nuclear pumps are driven by ABB's motors. HFCL's fiber manufacturing uses ABB's industrial automation. This is the picks and shovel of India's entire infrastructure story, and it's Swiss engineered. Here's what the next decade is going to look like. India's data center capacity is tripling, driven by AI, cloud computing, and every tech company building Indian infrastructure. India needs to install 1 crore EV charging stations by 2030, and ABB is primary infrastructure supplier. Solar capacity at 154 gigawatts needs to double by 2030, and every solar farm needs ABB's transformers and inverters. And at 15% CAGR over the next 3 years, your 1 lakh rupees will become 1.5 lakhs, and at 20% it will become 1.7 lakh rupees. For context, a fixed deposit gives you 1.2 lakhs. Revenue 3,500 crores. Profit after taxes 370 crores. Their cash position is over 6,000 crores, and this company has zero debt. ABB recently sold its robotics division to focus purely on electrification and automation. The proceeds from that funded the 90 rupee per share special dividend. Should you invest in SIP or lump sum? This requires the most honest answer in this series so far. Whether the analyst consensus target is from Trendline, Motilal Oswal, or Prabhudas Leeladhar, they all have a holdings rating ranging from 6,400 to 6,900. The stock is currently trading at 10 to 20% above that. This means 2 things. First, the growth story justifies a premium. Second, there is a near-term downside risk if commodity costs bite harder or data center orders slow down. For a 5 to 10 year holding, ABB India is structurally one of the safest bets in India. For a 1 to 2 year margin though, the current price offers limited margin of safety. The right approach, 40% now, 60% held in reserve for any correction between 6,000 and 6,500. Remember, the company is still sound. 6,000 crores in cash. Swiss engineering driving India's EV, solar, data center, and metro infrastructure. Built and maintained by a company that's been in India since 1949. Stock 23 drops tomorrow. Follow Backbone India for more.